Hi everyone, welcome back to Billionaire Dream Car. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Equinox, a compact SUV that's shaking up the segment with bold design, advanced tech, and surprising performance. If you thought the Equinox was just another family SUV, think again. Chevrolet has completely redesigned the Equinox for 2026, giving it a more aggressive and modern look. The front end now features a striking grille, slim LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that screams confidence. The body lines are sharper, the stance is wider, and the overall feel is way more premium than ever before. Under the hood, the 2026 Equinox offers a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine delivering 175 horsepower, paired with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. For those wanting a bit more punch, there's a new 2.0-liter turbo option in the RS trim, boasting around 250 horsepower, more than enough for highway overtakes and spirited drives. Step inside, and you're greeted with a totally redesigned cabin. A large 11-inch digital gauge cluster and a 11.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominate the dashboard. It comes loaded with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Google built-in. You also get available Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless charging, and a premium Bose sound system in higher trims. Chevrolet has focused heavily on safety and driver assistance too. The 2026 Equinox includes Chevy Safety Assist as standard, which brings features like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and more. Adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system are also available, making this one of the safest compact SUVs in its class. And let's talk about price. Chevrolet has kept it competitive, starting under $30,000, which is a great value considering the tech, design, and safety it offers. So if you're looking for a compact SUV that blends style, performance, and practicality, the 2026 Equinox might just be your dream car, and it definitely earns a spot here on Billionaire Dream Car. Let me know in the comments what you think.